How to activate Windows 11 with the product key. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Windows 11 with a product key. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process for it is really simple. All you need to have is your product key. So after you have your product key, you can head over to your settings. So search for your settings and open it up. After you're on your settings, here you'll find a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is head over to system on your settings, and after you're on system, you'll find activation settings if you scroll down a bit. After you find activation, just tap on it and open your activation up. After that, if your Windows is not activated, you will get an option to activate your Windows key or simply change your product key. So here, as you can see, there is an option to change your product key. If I just tap on it, it will give me an option to put in the product key. So just type in your product key. After you type it in, hit next, and yeah, that's just basically it. And that's how you can activate your Windows with a product key. And that's all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.